Fly back safely to my perch and find the worst